In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular progress bar animation in Figma. Figma tutorial. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Figma. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and signing in. If you already have the desktop app installed, that works too. Once you're in, open your page or file where you want the progress bar to live. You can work directly on the canvas or inside a frame if you prefer a clean layout. Now let's build the circular progress bar. Select the ellipse tool. Click and drag while holding Shift to draw a perfect circle. To make it look like a ring, remove the fill and turn on the stroke. Increase the stroke weight until it has a bold, readable thickness. Something around 16 to 24 pixels is usually easy to see. If you want smoother edges, set the stroke cap to round for a polished look. Duplicate the circle so you have two rings stacked on top of each other. The bottom ring will act as the track and the top ring will show the progress. For clarity, set the bottom ring to a subtle, neutral color like a light gray. Then select the top ring and choose a bright, high contrast color so the progress is easy to spot. With the top ring selected, use the arc controls on the circle to define how much of the ring is filled. Drag the arc handle to the percentage you want to display, for example 60% or 75%. This simple adjustment is what makes the progress feel clear and intentional. To show the exact percentage in the middle, grab the text tool and click the center of the ring. Type the value, such as 75%, and increase the font size so it's legible at a glance. Center it horizontally and vertically with the ring using Figma's alignment tools. If the text doesn't sit perfectly in the middle, group the text and rings together and nudge it with your arrow keys until it looks just right. At this point, you've got a clean circular progress bar ready for use, and it's structured in a way that's ideal for animation later. You can keep the base ring as your static background and adjust the arc of the top ring to represent different states. When you're ready to animate, this setup makes it straightforward to transition between values smoothly. Save your file, name your layers so they're easy to find, and you're done. That's your circular progress bar, built in Figma and ready for action.